Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading The Spider Makes a Web by Joanne M. Lexis. It is spring. The day is warm and dry. It is a good day for new little spiders to find homes of their own. This little spider goes to the top of a rock. From her spinning tube, she spins out some silk. The silk is light. The breeze catches it, and it goes up in the air. The spider spins out a lot of silk. Up goes the spider with the breeze. Up in the air she goes, up in the sky. When the breeze stops, the air can't hold her. Slowly, the spider goes down. She lands on the grass near a blackberry bush. This is a good spot for her web. The spider lets out some silk. It goes up in the air. She holds the other end of the silk with the claws on her feet. The silk hits a branch of the bush and sticks to it. She sticks her end of the silk to the grass. Up the silk she runs the branch. Out goes even more silk to another branch. Down to the ground the spider goes, letting out more silk. This line she sticks to the grass too. And now, with a new line of silk, she runs to where she began her web. The web has 4 sides now. The spider makes a lot of straight lines. Between the lines in the center of the web, then she runs around to make circle lines. The circle lines will hold the straight lines in place. The spider goes to the outside of the web. She begins to spin out sticky silk. Around and around she goes, making the sticky lines, until she gets back to the center of the web. The lines will stay sticky for some time, but they'll help catch food for the spider. Now she sticky silks to the middle of the web. She takes this silk line along the branch to a hiding place on the bush. Here, she'll make a little tent out of the leaves and lines it up with the silk. This is her place to eat and sleep away from the rain and the wind. She sticks to the end of the line here. Even in her sleep, her claws hold on to the line. The web moves a little. The line pushes. The spider feels the pull. She runs up on the line to the web as fast as her 8 little legs can go. She goes around and around the thing that is stuck in the sticky web. She looks at it with her 8 eyes. Her 8 eyes can't see much, but she can tell if it's a little thing or a big thing. But she can tell something's moving. This thing is little. She feels it with her 2 feeler legs. Her feelers are better than her eyes. It's a fly in her web. The sticky spider sticks her fangs into the fly. The spider pulls the fly to her place in the bushes. Here, the spider sucks the blood. She pushes the fly dead. Then the spider rests. All at once, the line pushes hard. Something big is shaking the web. Down to the thing the spider goes, but not too near. At last, she does go near, but she is ready to run. She feels a grasshopper. The grasshopper is trying hard to get away. The spider turns her back. She lets out some silk. With her legs, she wraps the grasshopper around and around. She covers it with silk. Soon it looks like a mummy. Now she can pull it up to her eating place. A grasshopper is a lot of food for the spider, but her stomach has room for it. The grasshopper has made holes in the spider's web. Now the spider takes down all but the strong sides, makes a new web inside. She makes a new web almost every day. In the morning, she has a drink of dew. On her web or her branch, she waits for more food. The days go by. One morning, she goes out of her web from a drink from a dew. Look out! Here comes a wasp. The wasp wants food for her children. After the spider she goes. The spider drops down from the web. She runs and hides under a bush. As the spider grows bigger, she has to get out of her old skin. She does this many times before she is fully grown. For a few days, she does not eat. One day, she hangs upside down. She wiggles and jerks. Her skin cracks. It starts to come off. The skin on her legs is hard to get off. She wiggles and jerks and kicks over and over and over again. At last, the top skin is off. This is a new skin. The spider makes her web bigger now. More days go by. One day, another spider comes looking for a mate. He drums on her web. This is a sign. It tells the spider not to eat him. Even so, she may still eat him. He doesn't stay long, and now she's alone again. It is fall now. This spider is getting old. It is time for it to lay its eggs. First, she must make a basket of silk. The eggs are laid in the basket. The spider wraps the eggs around and around many times. At last, the eggs are safe, as she can make them. The spider goes away. She is old. In a few days, she'll die. The baby spiders come out of their eggs, but they stay in the silk basket until winter is over. There is food for them in the eggs. When it is spring, the spiders must make a hole in the basket. One by one, they come out and wait for the warm, dry day. Then the new little spiders take to the air and find their new homes.